Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 9, body movements, subject science, class 6. Yesterday I have discussed about the movement of our body and the locomotion, importance of locomotion of a living organisms, and the skeleton system. Today I want to discuss about the functions of a skeleton. So first, the skeleton has so many functions, and that is directed by our brain. It means our parts of body take the instructions from our mind and do a particular kind of work. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body and any animals. It also gives protection to the delicate internal organs of the body. For example, the skulls protect the brain, and the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. The backbone protects the spinal cord. So it gives protection to the delicate internal organs of our body. Next thing, it helps in the movement of body parts, such as by the skeleton system we can able to stand, run and walk together with the help of muscles. Our bones are filled with a soft substances that is called the bone marrow. Red and white blood cells are made inside the bone marrow. Now you know about the parts of the skeleton. First you know about the functions of a skeleton. Now you will know about the parts of a skeleton. The human skeleton consists of 5 parts, that are the skull, backbone, rib cage, limb bones and girdles. First, the skull. It is a bony structure of our head. It is made up of 22 bones. Out of these, 8 flat bones from the brain box or cranium, which encloses and protects our brain, and 14 bones from the shape of face. All the bones in the skull are fixed. The lower jaw is the only movable bone in the skull, and it enables us to chew food and speak. You can see in the figure number 9.3 the human skeleton, and in the figure of 9.4, that is the skull. Gently press and move your fingers along the center of the back of your friend. You feel a long, hard and bony structure. That is called the backbone. Second is the backbone or spine. The backbone forms the main axis of the skeleton. It is made up of 33 small ring-shaped bones. That bones are called the vertebra. These small bones join together to form a strong a small bones, a strong column that called the vertebral column, and it is also called the spine. It protects the delicate spinal cord. It also provides support to the body. The joints where vertebra meet allow slight movement, and it also allows us to bend or twist our back of our body. That's all for today.